Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Maths Olympiad by Subbarao. Today our topic is a boat is moving 2 km against the current of stream in 1 hour and moves 1 km in the direction of current in 10 minutes. How long will take the boat to go 5 km in stationary water? Boat is moving 2 km against current of stream in 1 hour. Boat is moving against opposite to the stream. Against opposite to the stream. But this boat reached 2 km in 1 hour. So this is the first condition. Next, second condition, and moves 1 km in the direction of current. So direction of current is this. But boat is moving. That boat is moving in the direction of current for 1 km in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes. This is second condition. Then he asked us to find the how long will take the boat to go 5 km in stationary water. So in stationary water, so that means no flow. In stationary water, 5 kilometers boat will go. On what time? Here it is very clear. There are two conditions. A boat is moving against the current of the stream in 1 hour. Boat is moving against the current of stream in 1 hour. That is in 2 kilometers length. It has taken 1 hour time. And moves 1 kilometer in the direction of current. Moves 1 kilometer in the direction of current. He has taken only 10 minutes. In the first condition, he has given the distance and the time. In the second condition also, he is given the distance and the time. So, in the both conditions, we will find the boat of the speed. With these both conditions, we shall find the speed of the boat. When you know the speed of the boat and the distance, you can calculate the time. You can calculate the time. Next, boat move distance against current of the stream. So that means boat is moving on upstream side. Boat is moving on upstream side. That is distance moved. Distance moved against current. Distance moved against the current is equal to 2 kilometers. Time taken to cover the 2 kilometers against current. Time taken to cover the 2 kilometers against current, that is equal to 1 hour. Here distance is there, time is there. So we can find the speed of the boat against current. Against current, that is on upstream side. On upstream side is equal to, speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time. Distance is equal to 2 kilometers by time. 1 hour, that is equal to 2 kmph. That is equal to 2 kmph. This is the speed of the boat on upstream side is equal to 2 kmph. Next, distance moved in the direction of current. Distance moved in the direction of current. Distance moved in the direction of current is equal to distance moved in the direction of current 1 kilometer. Time taken to cover 1 kilometer. Time taken to cover the 1 kilometer. Time taken to cover the 1 kilometer in the direction of current is equal to 10 minutes. Is equal to 10 minutes. 10 minutes means you can change into hours. Change into hours. Why? Because speed here kilometer per hour. This is in minutes. So you can change into hours. That is 10 by 60. Why? Because in 1 hour 60 minutes. That is equal to 1 by 6 hours. 1 by 6 hours. Next, speed of the boat on downstream side. Speed of the boat on downstream side. So that is in the direction of current. That is equal to distance by time. Distance by time. Distance is how much? 1 kilometer by time 1 by 6 hours. That is equal to 1 by 1 into 6 by 1. So this is one fraction, this is one fraction. That is equal to 6 kmph, 6 kilometer per hour. So therefore, speed of the boat on upstream side is equal to 2 kmph. Speed of the boat on downstream side is equal to 6 kmph. But here, speed of the boat on upstream side, it is 2 kmph. Speed of the boat on downstream side, it is 6 kmph. But we need only speed of the boat because in this 5 kilometer, it is stationary water. There is no flow. When we know the speed of the boat, then only we can find the time taken to cover the 5 kilometers in the stationary water. Next, let speed of the boat is equal to x kmph. X kmph. Let speed of the stream is equal to y kmph. Y kmph. Let speed of the boat is equal to x kmph. Speed of the boat is equal to y kmph. Speed of the boat on upstream side is equal to 2 kmph. Speed of the boat on upstream side. Speed of the boat on upstream side is equal to speed of the boat on upstream side is equal to, that is speed of the boat minus speed of the current. Speed of the boat is equal to x minus speed of the current is equal to y. So this is the speed of the boat on upstream side. But speed of the boat on upstream side already we calculated, that is 2 kilometers per hour. That is 2 kilometers per hour. So x minus y is equal to 2. X minus y is equal to 2. I can say this is equation number 1. Next, speed of the boat on downstream side. Downstream side is equal to, on downstream means speed of the boat plus speed of the stream. It is helping. That is speed of the boat x plus speed of the stream y. Speed of the boat on downstream side is equal to speed of the boat plus speed of the stream. That is x plus y. But the speed of the boat on downstream side is equal to 6 kmph, 6 km per hour. 6 km per hour. This is equation number 2. So equation number 1 is x minus y is equal to 2. Equation number 2 is x plus y is equal to 6. This is two variable linear equations. Two variable linear equations. Here x minus y is equal to 2, x plus y is equal to 6. Simply add the both. Equation number 1. X minus y is equal to 2. Equation number 2. X plus y is equal to 6. Add it. Plus y minus y cancel. X plus x. 2x is equal to 2 plus 6. 8. 2x is equal to 8. Therefore, x is equal to 8 by 2. That is equal to 4. X is equal to 4. When x is equal to 4, substitute the x value in equation number 2. Substitute x value in equation number 2. What is equation number 2? X plus y is equal to 6. Substitute the x value. That is, x means 4 plus y is equal to 6. 4 plus y is equal to 6. 4 you take into that side. So therefore, y is equal to 6 minus 4. That is equal to 2. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. What is x here? X is the speed of the boat. X is the speed of the boat. So that means speed of the boat is equal to 4 kmph. Speed of the boat is equal to 4 kmph. And speed of the stream, that is equal to y. That is equal to 2 kmph. Speed of the boat is equal to 4 kmph. Speed of the stream is equal to 2 kmph. Next, how long will take boat to go 5 kilometers in stationary water? Here distance is there. Speed of the boat is 4 kmph. Speed of the boat is 4 kmph. 4 kmph. How much time it will take? We know the distance and speed. Find the time. Therefore, time taken to cover the 5 kilometers in stationary water is equal to, we know the distance and we know the speed. So therefore time is equal to distance by speed. Time is equal to distance by speed. So that is equal to distance how much? 5 kilometers by speed of the boat is equal to 4 kilometer per hour. That is equal to 1 by 4 hours. 1 by 4 hours means that is equal to, this is 1 hour, very clear. This 1 by 4 you convert into minutes. That is 1 by 4 into 60. 4 ones are 4 15s are. That is equal to 1 hour 15 minutes. Therefore, time taken to cover 5 kilometers in stationary water is equal to 1 hour and 15 minutes. That is 1 hour and 15 minutes. This is the final answer. Okay, friends. Repeating again. A boat is moving 2 kilometers against the current of the stream in 1 hour. A boat is moving 2 kilometers length against the stream of current. So this is boat, this is stream, this is against opposite side in 1 hour. This is first condition. Next come to second one, and moves 1 kilometer in the direction of current in 10 minutes. And moves 1 kilometer length in the direction of current in 10 minutes. So find the time taken boat to go 5 kilometers in stationary water. So that means there is no flow. How much time it will take? As for the first condition, find the speed of upstream side. As per the second condition, find the speed of downstream side, so that we can find the speed of the boat. When we know the speed of the boat, automatically we can find the time taken to cover the 5 kilometers. Next, distance moved against current is equal to 2 kilometers. Boat moved against current is equal to 2 kilometers. Time taken to cover 2 kilometers against current is equal to 1 hour. So we have the distance and the time. So find the speed against current. Speed of the boat on upstream side is equal to distance by time. That is equal to 2 by 1, 2 kmph. Therefore, speed of the boat on upstream side is equal to 2 kmph. So first condition over. Next comes to second condition. Distance moved in the direction of current 1 kilometer. Time taken to cover the 1 kilometer in the direction of current is equal to 10 minutes. 10 minutes means it is converted into hours, 1 by 6 hours. Speed of the boat on downstream side is equal to distance by time. Distance is equal to 1 kilometer and time 1 by 6. That is equal to 6 kilometer per hour. Speed of the boat on downstream side is equal to 6 kilometer per hour. Next, now we are calculated the speed of the boat on upstream side and the speed of the boat on downstream side. But what about original speed of the boat? Let speed of the boat is equal to x kmph. Let speed of the stream is equal to y kmph. Speed of the boat is equal to x kmph. Speed of the stream equal to y kmph. Then speed of the boat on upstream side. Speed of the boat on upstream side, it is against. So that is speed of the boat minus speed of the stream, x minus y. So speed of the boat on upstream side, x minus y is equal to speed of the boat how much? 2 kmph. So x minus y is equal to 2, equation number 1. Similarly, speed of the boat on downstream side is equal to, it is helping, though that means x plus y, that is equal to speed of the boat on downstream side is equal to 6 kmph. X plus y is equal to 6, equation number 2. Here, equation number 1 is x minus y is equal to 2. Equation number 2 is x plus y is equal to 6. Simply add it. 2x is equal to 8. Plus y minus y cancel. 2x is equal to 8. Therefore, x is equal to 4. Simply substitute the x value in equation number 2. Here, x plus y is equal to 6. X is equal to 4 plus y is equal to 6. Therefore, y is equal to 2. X is equal to 4 and y is equal to 2. What is x? Speed of the boat is equal to x kmph. That is equal to 4 km per hour. Speed of the stream is equal to y kmph. That is equal to 2 km per hour. Now we know the speed of the boat. Now we are calculated the speed of the boat 4 kmph and the distance covered in the stationary water 5 kilometers. So time taken to cover the 5 kilometer in stationary water is equal to distance by speed. Distance is equal to here 5 kilometers. Speed is 4 kmph. 5 by 4. After simplification, 1 hour and 15 minutes. So therefore, time taken to cover 5 km stationary water is equal to 1 hour and 15 minutes. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. If you are interested, kindly like, subscribe, share your friends group, ask them to subscribe such more practice videos. Thank you very much.